Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will start subject and predicate. As we all know, every sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. So what is subject? The part which names the person or the thing we are speaking about is called the subject. And what is predicate? The part which tells something about the subject is called the predicate. How we will understand what is subject and what is predicate? The easiest way is the subject gives the answer of these two questions. Who and what. And predicate contains verb as well as what the subject is doing. Let us see some examples. Honesty is the best policy. Can you tell me what is the verb in this sentence? Is. And what is the best policy? Honesty. So honesty is a subject and is the best policy is predicate. Predicate always contains verb. Next example is Virat Kohli is a cricketer. So who is a cricketer? Virat Kohli. Here Virat Kohli is subject and is a cricketer is predicate. Look into some other example. On top of the tree lives a sparrow. The subject of a sentence usually comes first, but occasionally it is put after the predicate. So, on top of the tree lives. This is predicate. And a sparrow is a subject because who lives on top of the tree? A sparrow. In this type of examples, predicate comes first. Next, the understood you. In imperative sentence, where commands is being given, the subject of the sentence is left out. It means there is no subject in the imperative sentence. Please pass the salt. Can you tell me where is the subject? It's you. Here the subject you is understood. Next, do your homework. This is also an imperative sentence. So here subject is you and do your homework is a predicate. Let us see some other examples of imperative sentence. Eat your vegetable. Subject is you. Sit down. Here also subject is you. Thank him. Subject you. Let us see some other examples. Nature is the best physician. So what is the best physician? Nature. So nature is a subject. The boy stood on the burning desk. Who stood on the burning desk? The boy. So the boy is subject. The earth revolves around the sun. Thank you for watching.